The coin lady here, returning to my channel. A huge day for XRP that nobody seems to be discussing. This possibility was worth $105 billion. Few people are familiar with him. I see. Well, would you believe it? I will explain in detail the current situation involving the UAE, India, and the UAE, with a focus on the oil market. Massive financial institutions are about to embrace this, and it's going to change the world. In this XRP video, we will discuss it in detail. The like and subscribe buttons should be in place. Alright, let's dive in. Everyone, please come back. If you want to stay abreast of everything happening in the cryptocurrency market and specifically with XRP, make sure to enable push notifications. However, India is taking major steps towards XRP adoption, especially with the XRPL. As I've already mentioned, XRPL is a key aspect of the ecosystem, and even more crucially, there are significant collaborations with financial institutions. There are many more like this. By purchasing oil from the United Arab Emirates, India has completed a transaction utilizing XRPL. If this market was worth $105 billion in 2022, just think of how much this oil will be worth today. We are all aware that Donald Trump will be drilling around the United States, but this is still significant. Wait a second, some of you may say. Just a moment, please. Nothing has changed with the price. There has been a complete lack of discussion regarding the current situation, despite the fact that Monica Long has lately come out and is mentioning the idea of an independent XRP foundation to discuss and secure partnerships with inclusive financial technology. She covered a lot of ground, including the CTO's and foundation's desires for various stakeholders, Ripple Labs, Ripple X, the development arm, and the foundation itself. Earlier this week, we learned that they intend to work with DIFC. This was covered in an earlier video of mine. Not to mention how crucial this is. Central to the Bitcoin industry is the United Arab Emirates. Actually, their goal is to hasten the implementation of blockchain technology. Furthermore, they intend to implement crypto adoption, which is, in my opinion, critically vital. Crypto and blockchain technology will be more widely used by startups and growing businesses as a result of this collaboration. We are launching a major collaboration with this. Banks and Medico are already involved, as far as we are aware. Those are the relationships. Is quite significant. At the upcoming BRICS summit, there will most likely be talks about cryptocurrencies. Is this anything that people have done in order to facilitate that discussion at the BRICS? This is thus quite significant. When you factor in the Indian customer, you see a huge market with a lot of disposable income. To me, this is the starting point for international money transfers. It certainly won't be the last either. I mentioned this in an earlier video, but I'm still holding out hope for a major announcement or partnership. This is something we've been hoping for a while. The outcome of this is something that I find really intriguing. The quantity of money that has been sent or when it transpired is currently unknown. More significantly, we have confirmation that this did in fact occur, and we will observe how this develops in relation to India. Given the many global constraints, especially those pertaining to oil, will we see even more? Therefore, we should definitely be cognizant of this and keep a watch on it because it is a major issue. Naturally, some would argue that it is excessively large. Where does the pricing stand right now? Why hasn't the pricing budged? These activities, however, are merely taking place behind the scenes. We still don't know if an SEC appeal will be filed. Many have speculated that this could happen. On the other hand, we are also trying to locate the floor. Many individuals have begun to invest in XRP. What the hey? Let's not kid around. It has been kept under wraps. For what feels like an eternity, it has been flat. Actually, your financial situation is very similar to that of 2018. We're not going to make anything up here, that's all. However, the truth is that we are patiently awaiting this trigger, this action. Someone is still sitting on the sidelines, in my opinion. It seems to me that some individuals are still confused about what's happening. However, there was a great deal of volatility. We have discussed a level where we can find price support, and we are still searching for it. Bitstamp is one of the main recipients of substantial sums of XRP, and there have been some really large changes in terms of whales and token amounts. As a result, the market is very unpredictable. It should be noted that there was a 27% increase in the last week. Consequently, a few weeks ago, individuals made purchases. Trust me when I say they're pocketing the dough. This is the fundamental principle of our business model in this industry. Also, keep in mind that the market is currently severely repressed. Nonetheless, there are a few important points to keep in mind. MACD is still very positive, and we would both like to see it stay that way. In the background, there are a few more things happening, and their options. Notable traders have locked in $2 million for a $1.10 call. Why is there such a surge? With almost 4.3 million contracts valued roughly $2.44 million, XRP options activity is rising, indicating substantial market interest. People are genuinely betting that this will go above $1. There are analysts who are making predictions about an ETF impact, and XRP is also expected to see significant acceptance in the near future. Therefore, I consider this to be positive news in light of what we received. People are bullish on Wall Street and XRP again, and cryptocurrency advocates are enthusiastic as well. The price remains the same. Well, that's our current situation. At around the 4-point horizon, you can see Bitcoin hovering. With yet another beautiful green candle, XRP is booking roughly a 2.4% trend. The next thing we're hoping for is this upward trend to continue. At 66 cents, this is the master key. That break must be seen. Since the move that we attempted to retest multiple times but were unsuccessful, this has been present on the chart. We consider this level to be resistance, as it is a crucial support and resistance level. On an equal footing, we succeeded. But looking back, we did view it as a sort of support. Therefore, 66 cents is a crucial level for us in relation to XRP. On the other hand, as we observe more adoption partnerships, more transaction volume passing via XRPL, and finally, more favorable sentiment surrounding XRP, our perception of its value will improve. I believe a relocation is imminent. And I've been harping on this for some time, praising the XRPL as an integral component. Therefore, I am still bullish on XRP. I'm eagerly anticipating the grand reveal. I'm holding out hope for more significant alliances, and I think they're going to materialize in the coming weeks. Once we get proof that the SEC is pleased that they will not pursue this, I believe we can witness some build-outs from the company, such as Monica Long's return to the spotlight. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. I believe additional movements are imminent, particularly if Bitcoin chooses to resume testing 60 to 62,000, therefore I invite you to do the same. Drop me a line and tell me what you think about this massive XRPL collaboration between the UAE and India. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.